Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. So I will come back another cryptocurrency video. So it's not a new site. So I also review it. So after I clean my channel, then after I go to my main topic. So my channel name is and travel news. Here is upload any crypto news. So what you can earn from this site. I also uploaded verify site. Try to verify site. So you can learning from earning tutorial from my site. So you can subscribe my channel, and also beside the all bell icon button, then you will get firstly any notification. So and other information which you can join this Telegram group. You can information in my Telegram channel. Other information for you, for your kind of information. If you core mining app, you can need to hash bar, increase your hash bar. Please join my Telegram group and share your hash bar card, or you can collect any hash bar card, and you can increase your hash bar card. Okay, fine. Now I go to my main topic. It's only for review. So what do you now? Also make this video only for doggy fools. There is a the company says secret and trusted mining food site, and also other information that real Bitcoin earning site. It's many option for power plant. When you free time mining time indeed, then you can deposit this site. So otherwise you cannot earning from this site or okay. So here is a 6 type of plan. Here is the sky pool, jet pool, jerk pool, and also multi pool miner, pro hashing miner, alpha pool. There's a big plan, but how to you join this site, I also teach you. So it's yes, it's a it's payment food site, but nothing do this. So also only teach you how to join this. You need to doggy address. So what how to get your doggy address? You can go you go to your wallet site, any wallet site, Trust, then Binance, Huawei, SuperX. So search the doggy address, doggy coin. So and and please press the deposit option. Okay, you can get this address. Okay, and now paste this. Okay, I go to my wallet, then collect my doggy address. Okay, paste your doggy coin address and type your password, minimum 6 characters. Okay, now get started. Okay, you can go to your dashboard. So here is the mining started. So here is a referral income. If you joining your you get a 10% referral bonus. Okay, this 10% bonus, your hash power rate is increasing. Okay, so here is your free plan, 5 hours and earning rate every day, and also starting when you started, and limit time will be in them. Okay, so you can, if you joining this site, you will free plan was 3 days. Okay. So what can you do when its free plan is ended? Then you can need to buy any plan. If you cannot buy plan, then you cannot withdraw from this site. So if you buy your own risks. Okay, I go to, so here is the payment. Is a dog every time is payment code site. So here is a payment. Now I also show you that here is a blockchain is a payment code. Here is a payment code. Now 3 number line clicking. Here is a payment code. So this payment is now payment. So what can you do? You can deposit or not deposit. I think this site sometimes payment them, but in long time here is not very harmful. So I suggest you that no deposit this. So anytime they scamming this site. So if you deposit, it's your own risk. So and other information, you cannot your email here, you cannot give your email address in this site, then you cannot withdraw from this site. So why you set up your email? There is a setting option, then your new email, and also type here, and password retype, and save option. It's totally safe. Okay, I also show you how to save option. So it's a save. Okay, fine. So no longer than you. Please take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.